Hi, thanks for joining me today. I have my sister helping with some subtraction math games. The game we're going to be explaining to you today is called Difference War. You're going to need a deck of cards and you're going to take out all of your queens and your kings. Then you're going to split the deck in half so you each have the same number of cards. On the count of three, we're going to flip over our top card. When we do that, we are going to subtract as fast as we can. The person who subtracts fastest is going to be the winner. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we set it at the same time. So when that happens, we both got it correct, but she has the greater number. So she's going to take both cards. Okay, ready? We're going to try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, so now we're going to check. 6 minus 3 is 3. So Haley did not get it correct, but Miss Larson did, so I get to collect both of those cards. Now, if both of you were to get it wrong, you're going to each take your own cards and put them at the bottom of your deck. If you have any questions, let me know. Have fun playing.